C. C we have the fourth problem. C we have set bracket open 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. And D we have set bracket open 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, etc. set bracket close. Solution. How to write in set builder form. That is A such that capital A equal to set bracket open X such that X equal to K squared for same K belongs to N, comma K is between 1 and 6. That is 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared up to 6. Then second one we have X 2, 3, 5, 7. It is nothing but P equal to set bracket open X such that X is a prime number. And next one 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That is X such that D, X such that X comma X is a multiple of 4. The last one D, that is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 6 is the question. D equal to Z equal to set bracket open X such that X equal to 3n minus 2 where n equal to 1, 2, 3. That is when you are putting 1 here we have 3 minus 2 1. When you put 2 6 minus 2 4. When you put 3 9 minus 2 7. Therefore X such that X equal to 3n minus 2 when n equal to 1 2 3. That fifth sum. State whether the set is finite or infinite. Finite or infinite. 1a, the set of all prime numbers. B, the set of all sand grains in the earth, on this earth. The set of points on a line. The set of all schools in the world. First A is the infinite set. The set of all prime numbers is infinite set. Then the set of all sand grains on this earth is finite set. Then the set of points on a line. It cannot be counted. Therefore it is infinite set. The set of all schools in the world. We can count that district wise and state wise and then countries wise. So it is a finite one. The next one, sixth one, we have check whether the set A and B are disjoint. A, capital A is the set of all even positive integers and B is the set of all prime numbers. The next B. In that we have capital A equal to 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 15 and B equal to 19, 24, 29, 34, 39, etc. And C problem we have A is the set of all perfect squares and B is the set of negative integers, all negative integers. And D we have A equal to 1, 2, 3, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5 inside 1, 2, 3 we have. And then last one C, A is the set of all hydrogen atoms in the universe. B is the set of all water molecules on the earth. Then solution. The A we said that we have set of all even prime numbers and B is a set of all prime numbers. A and B are not disjoint set because all even positive integers have 2 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And set of all prime numbers we have 2. Therefore, A intersection B equal to 2. Then the second example we have B. A and B are not disjoint since A intersection B equal to 24. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21, 24. Then here B equal to 19, 24 is there. Therefore, A intersection B equal to 24. For a disjoint set, we have A intersection B equal to null set. But we are having A intersection B equal to 24. And C, A is the set of all perfect squares, B is set of all negative integers. Therefore, A and B are disjoint. The next one D, we have A intersection B equal to, in the intersect we have 1, 2, 3. Therefore, hence they are not disjoint set. The last one, hydrogen molecules on the earth and water. Therefore, A and B are disjoint. Then operation of sets. Operation of sets we have already seen. Union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, symmetric difference, etc. Union of sets, for example, if A equal to 1, 2, 4, 5 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then A union B, A union B the symbol, A union B equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. And intersection of sets, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 4, 5, 6. Then A intersection B equal to the elements common to both A and B, that is 2, 4, 2, 4, that is 2, 4. Then difference of two sets, let A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Then A minus B, A minus B equal to the elements should not be present in A, that is 4, 5. 2, 3 is present in B, 2, 3 is present in B, 2, 3 is present in 2, 3 is present in B. Therefore, 4, 5, A minus B equal to 4, 5. And also, B minus A equal to 1, 6. 1, 6. Then complement of a set. Complement of a set means complement of set we have if mu, the universal set equal to, set bracket open, A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G, and V, P is the set given A C D E F. Then our complementary set B dash equal to B comma G, that is B comma G, B comma G, B comma G, B comma G. The elements not present in B, that is B comma G. The last one we have, last is that is disjoint set. This disjoint set we have A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5, 6. Therefore, here we have the example is A intersection B equal to null set. That is, the elements present A and B are different. They are not common. The last one we have symmetric difference of two sets. Let A and B two sets. The symmetric difference of sets A and B is the set A minus B minus B minus A, and it can be represented as A delta B equal to A union B minus A intersection B, that's equal to A minus B union B minus A. For example, we have A equal to 1313579 and B equal to 23457. Then what is A minus B? A minus B is nothing but A we are having 13579 and B we are having 23457. A minus B means element should not present in B. That is 1, 9. That is 1, 9. And B minus A we have 2, 4. 2, 4. Then A symmetric difference between two sets is A delta B equal to this 1, 2, 4, 9. 1, 1, 2, 4, 9. That is A delta. Thank you. We have seen what is a set and the forms of set and operation set with the examples.